Welcome to the Bethany School News Show. I'm Bethany Montaz, and I'm Jack the Frog. So today we're going to be talking about the book review. Mr. Shostley, thank you for sponsoring this video. We couldn't have done it without him. So today we are talking about the mouse and the motorcycle. So, what's in the back? No, we're going to do the paper first. There, okay. The Mouse and the Motorcycle. And it was by Barely Clearly. Let's give you a sneak peek.
Story of his adventures. Bob could not help bragging a little as he told the story of his travels, beginning with the search.
Okay, that was a small sneak peek. Anywho, it's time for the review of the book. On to you, Zach.
Today we are talking about the mouse and the motorcycle. As you can see here, the helmet and the top of a ping pong ball, and there's a motorcycle. One of Keith's toys. And this is the style review. Beth gives it a 3 out of 5 because she wants it. She might think it's adventuring, but she also might want it to have a movie about it. Very interesting. So, that was my review. That was my case. Back to you, Beth.
I can't tell you all about the book, but I will say that it was adventurous and fun and pretty funny. So if you don't want to read the paper book, just go to www.youtube.com. And that reminds me, comment down below, what do you think about the book? Please, I want to know all about it, so it can be more fun and educational. Well, that was all I had for today. But I'll see you in another shape of the Bethany School News Show. I'm Bethany Montaz.
And I'm Jack the Frog.
We're signing off. Bye.
See ya.
Bill Bows. And now I'm gonna tell you about my book review. So, it's about like a mouse with his family, and then I forgot my lines. That was all I had for today. I'm Bethany Johnson. I'm Zach the what? Okay, let's just do another take.